Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and I am thrilled, absolutely thrilled that you are here because I love you guys, and I know you're probably tired of seeing this painting, but I thought we would finish it because it's important to finish this rather than leaving you hanging that it's kind of part done. So let's talk about what I'm going to be doing here. I am going to be finishing this by probably adding some white here. I will not bring over a line here. I'll probably maybe bring over a little line here. Don't know. Maybe a little line here. If I do a little line here, then I won't do one there because that would be repeating. And I don't think we need to do that. So then I think down here, I need a little bit more support. And I will extend this to probably this way, maybe a little bit this way as well. This is too centered. You see how this is centered here? This is too centered, so I don't want that. I don't have my coal wax with me, but I am going to lift this and put a little under there because that's beginning to come up. I just didn't have enough under there. But anyway, let's finish this. Then we can get on to a new subject, of which I hope you guys will let me know what you guys would like for me to talk about. All right, so now I'm going to add a little bit of this to here. That's a little too white, so I'm not going to have that. I'm going to make it a little bit warmer so it'll blend in. That's almost a little too warm. Add some asphaltum to it. This is oil, so I'm adding asphaltum, which is a wonderful, wonderful transparent color. Transparent brown. I really don't like this color that I've got. It's kind of, well, you're going to have to come on that side and put it on that side as well. Hey, by the way, your comments were fantastic. I loved them. Your questions. Now, one question that kept coming up was the fact that why couldn't I just do the Asemic writing on the painting itself? You can. There's nothing to stop you. Except the reason that I didn't, there are two reasons I didn't. And one is that I would get kind of nervous doing it on that because I didn't know what it was going to look like. So I want to just have this was already done, and I put it down and I could see exactly what it was going to look like. So that to me is a plus. And the garbage truck's just going by, just in case you hear that. So the other thing I think I would like to do, I'm going to mix some asphaltum and some black. And I'm going to, you can see here, the asphaltum is brown. So I'm going to add a little bit more black. Now, kind of like that blue right there, I'm not going to get rid of it until I find out if I don't like it, because I can't get it back. So that's just, maybe I want to come all the way down. Touch of Gamsol here. And I'm going to bring it over a little bit over this side as well. Now, I don't want the same distance, so I'm pretty safe so far. I don't want the same distance from here to here is from here to here, so I'm okay. I'm doing okay. See, there wasn't much to do to this, but it's nice to know how to finish it. And you guys are my buds, so I want to make sure that you know exactly how to do this. Notice I'm painting with the side of my brush, not the flat, but the side. And so that gives me a lot more control over this. And what I'm doing is making soft edges because I don't want hard edges down here. It's not the center of interest. It's, it's has nothing to do with this up here. So I don't want the attention brought down here. All right, that's blended in pretty good. Now, is there another place that I feel that needs it? Now, I could bring down some black here and come down. So let's see if I do that, what it's like. So I don't think I'm going to connect it. I think if I just make a little line. See, I like that. It's an indication. It's not anything permanent, but I like it. Well, it is permanent. I don't know why I said that. Sometimes we just talk because we talk. All right. Now, let's see. Adding a little blue to add a little interest. Do I dare do one here? Do I dare do one here? It's not straight, guys. Oh, well. I don't think that went too well. Consequently, we will just do this. I don't dislike it over there, but I just didn't like it there. I try and explain why I'm doing what I'm doing, because I think it's really important for you to know, because, people say, oh, I'm not going to put it there, but then they don't tell you why. Well, I want to know why, because I don't want to make that mistake. So I'm looking at this, trying to figure out, is there anything else I want to do? And to be very honest, I don't think there is. I think we're done. This is going to be a very short video, but that's okay. The others were long, and you don't need to hear a long video every time. But you say, well, that didn't help it. I can hear you guys saying that right now. All right, that's all I'm going to do. I think this is finished. If you don't think it's finished, let me know what you think I should have done. And so now, signing it. Where would I sign it? I'm going to sign it right down in the lower left. Why? Because the weight is in the upper right. I want to kind of balance it. If I put my signature over here, it's going to be too heavy. So anyway, let me know what you would like for me to talk to you about next time. I love you guys. I love your comments. They're just fantastic. So keep it up, and let me know, and I will make sure that I do that in our next video. Talk to you then. Love you guys. Bye.